Move. Move. Move.
Yo, for real.
Move.
Move your body. What you doing for? Motivation is amazing when it gets them cats creating, still improving, keep on moving. You're capable, relatable, escape all the hateful or problematic psychosomatic roadblocks. The biggest opposition, self-inflicted conditioning, melodramatic, extra erratic, soapbox preaching, teaching ourselves limits that limit our reaching. We require a rewiring that inspires acquiring our heart's desires to move. You got to keep in motion, just move. You can't stop this momentum, just move. Shake your body, we're going to move, move, move. Let's go! Bringing positive energy, preventing the unpleasant drink of imaginary enemies. Let it be, begging please serenity, better be ahead of me. Entity sensibly, tension-free, zestfully energetic, need to move. You got to keep in motion, just move. You can't stop this momentum, just move. Shake your body, we're going to move, move, move. Let's go! Great memories if I could edit the very hereditary fabric necessary to end anxiety, bury self-doubt, and have every Tom, Dick, and Harry present their very best daily. It'd barely be enough of me and suffering and covering, ushering discoveries. Brother, please stop hiding in the shrubberies. Tap into potential, unlock endless possibilities. Map out the essential and unclog senseless luxuries. Don't you dare feed yourself excuses and procrastinate. Be aware you are free. Freedom helps produce rad renegade productivity. Push yourself and you can accomplish real progress. Ooh, we got this. Darling, let's demolish these hardships. Let's make moves that astonish. Just move, just move. You got to keep in motion, just move. You can't stop this momentum, just move. Shake your body.
It's our rock. It's our rock.
Oh my stars, get your ass to Mars. You don't know me and you don't know my bars. I'm normally sick of orders, gripping sticks and 40 torches, hitting dicks and Porsches, giving quick authority, sick and portly corpses, living affordably in hidden fortresses of bricks and mortar.